Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive crypto on your Ellipal X Card. To do it, you will need to go to the Ellipal app and have your Ellipal card with you. Now go to Receive, simply. Then select which asset you want to receive. I will be receiving Solana, so I'll get that. Then you can give a QR code to the person that you want to get money from, or send them the address. You can also set amount of what you want to receive, but I'll just get the address and then I'll get it to the person that's gonna send me that, who's me. I'll just get to a different app on my phone and send myself the cash. So let's go. I have like my Coinbase here. I'll just go to transfer, send crypto, right? Then I'll allow paste. Let's just select the pasted crypto wallet address. And I'll select Solana. I don't remember what the minimum was. I want to just transfer the minimum, right? I think that's the minimum. Or no, I think that may be the minimum. Yeah. Let's preview it. I will select self-custody wallet and send it to myself. Continue. Okay, now it has changed. In the past it was 001. So yeah, I'll be back shortly. Yeah, and it's basically like just click on send now. I click on send now because I'm using Coinbase in different apps. It may be different, right? But probably if you're receiving it, you're receiving it from someone else, so they are doing it. And now in our Ellipal app, in a moment, Solana takes about 30 seconds to transfer. In about 30 seconds, I will see my Solana balance going up, and it will be about it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.